Under the cloak of night, Luna seeks refuge on her rooftop, a silent observer of the celestial ballet above. Her telescope, a sentinel of solitude, gazes toward the inky expanse, bridging the gap between Earth and the infinite. In hushed tones, she shares secrets with the stars, seeking solace in their distant, unwavering light. The night sky becomes her sanctuary, a stark contrast to the isolation that shadows her days at school. Her voice cracks with vulnerability as she shares, "I feel alone, watching other kids from a distance." The stars bear witness to her solitude, their silent light, a comforting presence in her solitary world. The night sky is devoured by an unnatural darkness. As stars vanish one by one, panic grips the city as the oppressive darkness intensifies. Screams echo through the streets as chaos descends. Luna, her face, a mask of terror, races towards her backyard. In a desperate plea against the encroaching darkness, Luna cries out, "I wish for the light to return." Under the veil of night, Luna begins her metamorphosis, her form shimmering with nascent power. Luna ascends, now Starlight, radiating a silvery luminescence that washes over the world. A whisper echoes on the breeze. Find others who can help fight the encroaching darkness. Her thoughts turn to Mateo, Chloe, and Aisha, the quiet kids at school, as potential allies. In the suffocating darkness of the closet, Mateo sits alone, enveloped by a profound sense of invisibility. A glimmer of ethereal light spills under the door, beckoning him from the shadows. Hesitantly, Mateo reaches out, his fingers trembling as they meet the light. A surge of power courses through him, and the shadows themselves transform him into shade. Starlight's voice echoes in the darkness. "We need to find the others, Shade." Shade's voice resonates with newfound resolve. "I'm ready. Let's go." The dim light of Chloe's bedroom casts long, dancing shadows, hinting at the darkness that fills her sketchbook. As Chloe sketches, the world she draws is consumed by darkness, mirroring her somber mood. A beam of starlight touches Chloe's pencil, causing it to glow faintly, an omen of the magic about to unfold. Inspired, Chloe sketches a door on her bedroom wall, a portal to a world only she can imagine. As the last line is drawn, the door shimmers and becomes real, a gateway materializing before her very eyes. A surge of energy washes over Chloe, transforming her into Doodle, the vibrant embodiment of her artistic power. In the quiet sanctuary of her bedroom, Aisha escapes into the world of music, headphones sealing her off from reality. Soft starlight bathes her face, casting a celestial glow as she remains still. A beam of starlight touches her headphones, triggering a surreal metamorphosis. The headphones transform into a sleek, high-tech headset, hinting at newfound power. She is now Echo, able to perceive the hidden truths within sounds and project powerful sound waves. Under the veil of night, the Shadow Squad stands united, a beacon of defiance against the encroaching darkness. Above, tendrils of pure darkness descend like grasping fingers, threatening to consume the city below. Starlight steps forward, her voice cutting through the gloom. "All right, team, remember the plan," she commands. "Shade, you're on crowd control. Keep the civilians safe." Turning to Doodle, she instructs. Doodle, your illusions are our first line of defense. Disorient them. Buy us time. Her eyes blazing with determination, Starlight declares, Echo, you're with me. We hit them hard. Hit them fast. Let's show them what the Shadow Squad is made of. Under the cloak of night, the Shadow Squad moves through the city streets, a beacon of defiance against the encroaching darkness. Shade moves forward, his presence a whisper as he scouts the path ahead. Doodle flicks his wrist, creating shimmering barriers that dance with light, confusing their unseen foes. Echo focuses, unleashing harmonious sound waves that ripple through the air, disorienting the encroaching shroud. The Shadow Squad ascends the clock tower, the heart of the oppressive gloom. They discover a pulsing black orb at the summit, its terrible drone filling the air. The orb hums, casting long shadows across the stone floor. A cage of solid darkness imprisons the orb, trapping its terrible power. In the heart of the clock tower, the Shadow Squad stands as a unified front. Echo closes her eyes, conjuring a shimmering projection of a cherished memory. Doodle, lost in concentration, furiously sketches with enchanted charcoal, weaving lines of friendship and connection. Starlight raises her hands, unleashing a beam of pure starlight that floods the tower with radiant light. The ominous black orb pulsates, then explodes into a million points of silvery light, each a tiny star. Looking up, the stars return to the night sky, their brilliance restored.